Mighty Crown. You ever play Mighty Crown?
Yeah, a couple times.
What was that experience like now, playing with a Mighty Crown? Because I know that, again, that's not a sound that you guys meet regular.
Right.
You probably played with Mighty Crown a handful of times.
Yeah, man, that's true. First time I see Mighty Crown, I never know nothing about them. As me say, this when say this is an ambush because them never really, it wasn't like a clash or nothing. But we had a stage show that we used to do down in Portland, and we was the sound system I play upon it, and then I just see them say Mighty Crown I go play next. Me never know who Mighty Crown was anyway.
Yeah.
Boom. You see the Japanese them come out upon the stage, and the man attack Jamaican patois like, man I say yo, say to a girl say yo, me want breed you, me want breed you. Give you Chinese baby, and the whole place a mash up. It's like anything when the man do the place that's a bus. And them have song. Them have song for kill. Me I say no, the mute are bad. Yeah man. That is one sound me know retire the business where me know say the industry I got definitely miss. Mighty Crown, big bad sound. Me can say that. No water my mouth, straight.
Yeah.
Yeah man, big bad sound, Mighty Crown, big up on yourself.
Do you remember
Samity and Simon
bucking them outside of Jamaica now?
So yeah, we play. All right. So we had a dance. Stone Love, based at this Mighty Crown, in England. Seeing, I think it was at Christmas time too. Yeah. You know, say every sound play before Stone Love. Stone Love was the last. Stone Love was the last spot. It me and Bill Cosby. We never forget.
Yeah.
And me and Bill Cosby did I look upon one another like, yo, what we are going to do in this dance? I come here, tell us a base of this, go out with themselves. And Mighty Crown come and go out with themselves and thing. And our time now for come in. And my manager, Robert and Anthony Brightly. And them say, what are going to do? And I say, boy, I don't know, anthems have to come out and now, anthems have to roll out. And the man them say, play Stone Love, are you good?
Yeah.
So, all right. You know when we start the dance with brother? To test Stone Love, you have to fit. Can't do nothing wrong from this, brother. I swear to you. Nothing I couldn't do wrong. And them time that Bill Cosby, me and Bill Cosby kind of have a chemistry too. Cause you see, me and Richie Feelings have a chemistry, but me and Slaughter have a chemistry also, and me and Cosby have a chemistry. And if the whole we buck up a dance one time, I select them. Like, me say, your time for talk now, your time for talk now, your time for talk now. Because I know how the dance are going to run, or me have the dance planning in my head, and I just select them for talk for each segment. Seeing? So I just send out Cosby on the stage, man, and Cosby, Cosby, one thing about Cosby, it's when them call him the commanding chief for a reason. It's when him says something, you gotta do it. I ask you.
Yeah.
Me and that the man there go some place in the country and him do things where me never see no other selector do. Them man they make people burn up them shirts in the time when Cape Town a burn fire. He make people light them shirts in the party, burn up them shirts. You hear me I tell you? Me see the man make people take off them shirt, wave it, fling it up in the air, catch it back. A bag of things him go out with. All right. One at the time we are play one dance. And the man say, everybody are going to go up on the road. Because we know our land, Man, so we are go in the road, go party, and then we are going to come back in the dance. And then the man say, play the song there, man, and play the song. I'm say, everybody go outside. And the whole dance empty. Me and the bartender, them alone in the dance. Everybody in the street a party. And then them come back in the dance. All right, we are play one dance at Senton one time near 1 o'clock. Seeing? And them time that no time to gaze are hot. And the man say, yo, me I go play one song. It's when the bass drop, everybody go run round the clock and come back. And it's when the man say, there is no time to get. I hear the bass line, I see you doing. Everybody run go round the clock and come back, brother. Me I say that you would say, as a wicked man give him the name, commanding chief, Cause the man I say, yo, everything with the man tell the people them for do them do it. A dangerous selector, man, him not play, man.
No, Cosby.
Bill Cosby, the man bad MC. And selector, because him no need nobody else to bad. Him bad by himself.
100%. Even Billy Sata, you said thing there because again, I've seen you to me, the first team was you, Richie Feelings. The second one might have been you and Cosby, and then the third one was you and Slaughter.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
So when I just come on the sound, Slaughter they show me some whole heap of love still. You see me? Yeah, Slaughter they show me some whole heap of love. So anytime me and him go anywhere, a problem. Anywhere at all, me and him go a problem. Yeah, man. When gun salute I run dance. We make gun salute everywhere, bro. No joke. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I feel like how we make them start say, yo, no gun salute in a dance, man. That's, yo,
You
every
see
dance
when they
we
play
go.
Isle of Bala, the gun,
Yo, them song that no song. Yo, brother, let me tell you something, man. When I like when we look back on, you know, when I look back on where me are forward from, bro, trust me, me just feel nice and feel good in myself a lot of the times, them, you see me? Me just enough time I'll video me like it's like Rory used to like hide from video. Some used to like never want the video to catch me. Enough of the dance I want to see, you know. Me depend most of them, you know.
You're on them.
Right? Some of them actually get catch pan, but some of them me dead. But me I try hide from all some of the video and all them something there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Because remember, at that time, it was the only video that was in a dance was the actual big camera.
Yeah.
Like a Jack Saw.
And them, man.
Those
yeah,
man. There wasn't no phone camera and all that.
No phone never used to have them there. But when the phone them start coming in, when we had do like all down a Rose's corner and them thing there, Bogle and them thing there. Like enough of them video they say good old phone take enough of them video there too. You see me?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.